Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study of Science with Rahul Keshavani. Today I will discuss about empirical formula. What is empirical formula and molecular formula? Empirical formula से ही molecular formula maintain हुआ है, molecular formula बना है. Now, firstly we discuss what is empirical formula, right? So before starting my lecture, who is new, please subscribe this channel and also like this video, right? So what is empirical formula? Empirical formula of a chemical compound is the chemical formula which represent the simplest whole number ratio. Simplest whole number ratio present in simplest whole number ratio of various elements simplest whole number ratio of various elements present in one molecule of compound. Present in one molecule of compound. So, what is empirical formula? Listen carefully. Empirical formula of a chemical compound is the chemical formula which represent एक ऐसा formula जो represent करता है simplest whole number ratio various elements मीन जितने भी एलिमेंट्स प्रेजेंट है किसी भी केमिकल कंपाउंड में उनका सिंपलेस्ट होल नंबर रेशियो रिप्रेजेंट करता है. दैट सिंपलेस्ट होल नंबर रेशियो इज कॉल्ड एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला. नाउ हाउ कैन यू कैलकुलेट, हाउ कैन यू ऑब्टेन द एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला ऑफ वेरियस कंपाउंड? टेक वन बाय वन एग्जांपल. एग्जांपल नंबर 1, एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला of glucose. As you know, the formula of glucose is C6H12O6, right? How can you calculate empirical formula of glucose? As you know, in case of C6H12O6, this is the molecular formula of glucose. So what is the empirical formula? अभी empirical formula निकालने के लिए आपको एक तरीका मैं आपको बताता हूँ, बहुत ट्रिक बताता हूँ. आप इनमें से देखिए, कार्बन है, हाइड्रोजन है, ऑक्सीजन है. So this is the 6 atom of carbon, हाइड्रोजन 12 atom, ऑक्सीजन 6 atom, right? अब आपको देखिए कौन सा एटम सबसे छोटा है, कौन सा नंबर इसमें सबसे छोटा है. तो आपका आंसर होगा 6, बिकॉज 6 के नीचे कोई वैल्यू है ही नहीं. तो अब आपको करना क्या है, इसको 6 से डिवाइड कर देना है. तो 6 1 जा 6, दैट इज कार्बन इज 1, 6 2 जा 12, दैट इज हाइड्रोजन इज 2, एंड 6 1 जा 6. सो दिस इज द एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला ऑफ ग्लूकोज. एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला ऑफ ग्लूकोज. So by this technique you can obtain the empirical formula of the compound, right? Now the second example, empirical formula of hydrogen peroxide. Empirical formula of H2O2. So how can you calculate H2O2? Which one is small? Only two values that. So divided by 2, so 2 1 जा 2, and 2 1 are 2. That is H and O is the empirical formula of H2O2. Right? So by this technique you can calculate the empirical formula of H2O2. Right? Now, what is molecular formula? Molecular formula of chemical compound is the chemical formula which represent actual number of atoms of various elements present in one molecule of compound. So, what is molecular formula? Molecular formula of chemical compound is the chemical formula which represent actual number of atoms of various elements present in one molecule of compound. Listen. Take example. Empirical formula of glucose. अभी मैंने आपको example दिया. That is CH2O. But molecular formula of glucose equal to C6H12O6. अब यहाँ पर आप देखें, in this formula of glucose, actual number of atoms of various elements represent. Mean how many atoms of carbon in glucose? 6. 12 hydrogen, oxygen is also 6. So this formula represents the actual number of atoms present in one molecule of the compound. Right? So this is the concept of molecular formula. Now the relation between the empirical formula and molecular formula. That is relation between empirical formula and molecular formula. So molecular formula equal to N into empirical formula. What is N? N is equal to whole number, right? And how can you calculate the whole number value? N is equal to molecular mass upon empirical mass. Right? Empirical mass. Take one example. What is the molecular formula of glucose if its empirical formula is CH2O and molecular mass is equal to 1 atom? Question आपको ये given है. Then how can you calculate the molecular formula? As you know, the molecular formula is equal to N into empirical formula. Then how can you calculate the value of N? So let's see. N is equal to molecular mass of glucose upon empirical mass of glucose. So the molecular formula of glucose is given, that is 180. What is empirical mass of glucose? That is CH2O. CH2O means carbon 12, hydrogen 2 and oxygen 16. So 18 to 12 means 30, right? So divided by 30, the value is 6. Now the molecular formula is equal to N into empirical formula. So the value is 6 into empirical formula, that is CH2O. Then multiply this. C6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 1 ja 6. So the molecular formula of glucose is C6H12O6, right? So by this you can also calculate the molecular formula of the compound, right? Now, in case of some volatile compound, how can you calculate the molecular mass? Because for obtaining the molecular formula, you should always know about the molecular mass, right? In volatile compound, what is volatile compound? Those compound which convert into vapor form, that compound is called volatile compound, right? Like as petrol, as you know, when we take the petrol, then it gets vaporized. That is called volatile compound. In volatile compound, the molecular mass can be calculated by Victor-Meyer method. What is this method? This method you studied in higher class, right? According to Victor-Meyer methods, molecular mass is equal to 2 into vapor density. 2 into vapor density. So by this formula you can got the value of molecular mass for a volatile compound, right? Now I take some question for obtaining the empirical formula of the various chemical compound, right? So now the question first is the question number 1. An inorganic salt gave the following percentage composition: sodium 29.11, sulfur 40.51, oxygen 30.38. Calculate the empirical formula of the salt. So how can you calculate? Just wait and watch and how I calculate the answer of this question. Now guys, firstly, for find out the empirical formula of the salt, you always make a table, and in first column you write the name of element. In second, symbol of element. In third, percentage of element. Now atomic mass of element. Now moles of element equal to percentage upon atomic mass. Then simplest molar ratio. Then simplest whole number molar ratio. So this is the table by which you can calculate. So name of the element, कौन सा एलिमेंट है? सोडियम, सल्फर and third one is the oxygen, right? Now symbol of element, that is Na, sulfur S, oxygen O. Now percentage it is given 29.11, sulfur 40.51 and oxygen 30.38. Now what is the atomic mass of sodium? That is 23, sulfur that is 32, oxygen that is 16, right? Now how mole of the element, moles of the element is calculated by percentage upon atomic mass. So what is the percentage? That is 29.11 divided by 23. In this 40.51 divided by 32, 30.38 upon 16. If you divide this value, then you obtain the moles of the element, and the value is 1.266. This is also 1.266. You divide it, then you got 1.897. Right? There is no problem till here. Now simplest molar ratio. कैसे आप सिंपलेस्ट मोलर रेशियो निकालेंगे? अब इन तीनों वैल्यू में से देखिए सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू कौन सी? तो आपको देखिएगा 1.26 स्मॉलेस्ट या 1.26 दोनों ही सेम वैल्यू है, सो दोनों में से कोई भी एक वैल्यू ले लीजिए। अब जो भी कम वैल्यू हो उस वैल्यू को लेकर सब में डिवाइड कर दीजिए। जैसे 1.266 अपॉन 1.266, इसमें भी वही 1.266 1.897 अपॉन 1.266, मतलब जो भी सबसे स्मॉल वैल्यू होगा उस वैल्यू से सारे से आपको डिवाइड करना है। सो दैट इज 1.5. सो फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग इन होल नंबर you always calculate by that number by which this value is converted into whole number. So if this value multiplied by 2, then you got the 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. ये याद रखना है आपको कि जिस नंबर से आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे वो सारे नंबर मल्टीप्लाई होना चाहिए, राइट? सो व्हाट इज द एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला ऑफ सॉल्ट? Sodium, what is the number of atoms? That is 2. Sulfur, it is also 2, and oxygen, this is 3. So this is the empirical formula of the. Now the second question. 2.38 gram of uranium was heated strongly in a current of where? वेट 2.806, मतलब यूरेनियम का जो वेट है स्ट्रांगली इन अ करंट ऑफ एयर रिजल्टिंग ऑक्साइड वेट 2.806, मतलब यूरेनियम इज हीटेड इन ऑक्सीजन, देन इट गिव्स द यूरेनियम ऑक्साइड, and weight of uranium oxide is 2.806 and the uranium is 2.38. Determine the empirical formula of the oxide, right? अब इस क्वेश्चन में, इसके पहले वाले क्वेश्चन हमें परसेंटेज गिवन था, आसानी से कैलकुलेट कर लिए थे, बट इन दिस क्वेश्चन देयर इज नो परसेंटेज ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इज गिवन, राइट? Firstly, you calculate the percentage of uranium and oxygen, because in uranium oxide there is uranium and oxygen is present. So percentage of uranium, अब परसेंटेज कैसे निकालते हैं? जिन्होंने मेरा परसेंटेज कंपोजिशन का वीडियो नहीं देखा है प्लीज उस वीडियो को जरूर देखें, then you calculate the percentage composition of any element, right? So और उस वीडियो का लिंक मैं अपने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में प्रोवाइड कर रहा हूं, यू कैन आल्सो वॉच दैट वीडियो फ्रॉम माय डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. सो परसेंटेज ऑफ यूरेनियम, हाउ कैन यू कैलकुलेट? मास ऑफ यूरेनियम, दैट इज 2. मास ऑफ यूरेनियम अपॉन mass of uranium oxide. So what is the mass of uranium? 2.38 upon mass of uranium oxide, that is 2.806. When you divide this, 84.82, right? Now percentage of oxygen, because in uranium oxide only two elements is present, uranium and oxygen. If you calculate the uranium, then how can you calculate the percentage of oxygen? If you want to calculate the percentage of oxygen, you subtract all the percentage of element from 100. मीन जितने भी एलिमेंट्स का आपने परसेंटेज निकाल दिया है सबको 100 में से माइनस कर दीजिए, तो केवल और केवल ऑक्सीजन का परसेंटेज आपको पता चल जाएगा। किसी भी क्वेश्चन में अगर ऑक्सीजन का परसेंट, केवल ऑक्सीजन के लिए बात है, ऑक्सीजन का परसेंटेज निकालना हो तो देन यू सब्सट्रैक्ट all the percentage of compound element from 100 minus 84.82, then you got 15.18, right? So this is the percentage of oxygen. Then how can we calculate the empirical formula? So first, as you know, the previous question, elements is uranium. मैं फिर से वो टेबल नहीं लिखूंगा। यूरेनियम, ऑक्सीजन, व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज? 84.82 ऑक्सीजन, दैट इज 15.18. नाउ व्हाट इज एटॉमिक मास ऑफ यूरेनियम? दैट इज 238 एंड ऑक्सीजन दैट इज 16. इफ यू वांट टू कैलकुलेट द मोलर रेशियो, देन डिवाइड द परसेंटेज from atomic mass 238 and 15.18 by 16, then we got the value 0.3552, and if you divide this value, then you got 0.9489, right? If you calculate the molar ratio, then which one is small? This value is small, so divide this value from all these values. 0.3552 upon 0.3552, that is 1. If you divide 0.9489 by 0.3552, जो भी सबसे स्मॉल वैल्यू हो उस वैल्यू से सबको डिवाइड करना है। आपको मैंने पिछले क्वेश्चन में बताया भी था। Then you got the value 2.66. अब यहाँ पर देखिए फ्रैक्शन आ चुका है। अब इसको हम कैसे होल नंबर में कन्वर्ट करें? अगर इसे 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करते तो 2 2 जब 4 एंड देन 5 पॉइंट कुछ आ जाएगा, तभी कुछ वैल्यू रह जाएगी। अगर इस वैल्यू को हम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करते, राइट, 2.66 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3, देन 6 9 6 to the 8 and sorry 3 to the 6 and 7, that is 7.98, means nearly 8 के बराबर, correct? So multiplied by 3, then the value is 3 and here the value is 7.98, nearly हम लोग कह सकते हैं कि the value is 8. So what is the molecular formula, sorry, what is the empirical formula of uranium oxide? So empirical formula of uranium oxide is equal to how many molecules of uranium? That is 3, and oxygen, that is 8. So this is the empirical formula of uranium oxide, right?